I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see a radius of curvature in polar form. Already you know that what is the polar form. How do you write a polar curve equation? That all we know that. So already explained what is radius of curvature also I explained in the previous classes. Now in today's class, radius of curvature. In today's class we are going to see radius of curvature in polar form. So what is that? How do you express a polar curve? Already you know that r equal to f of theta. We can write the given polar curve be a given polar curve then radius of curvature in polar form is rho equal to r square plus r1 square, rho equal to r square plus r1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by r square plus 2r1 square minus r into r2. What is r1? We can write r1 is nothing but dr by d theta. What is r2 is nothing but d square r by d theta square. This is R1 and R2. So this is a formula we will use to simplify the problems. Now I'll take that first problem. So in this method, find show that the radius of curvature of the curve r power n equal to a power n into cos n theta varies inversely as r power n minus 1. Varies inversely as r power n minus 1. Now this is a given problem. Usually in the problems, if whenever it comes log, what we will do, we know that. So if it will come in r and theta, we'll take log and we'll simplify. So that procedure only I'm going to use here. Right. So given, first what that given should be, I'll take. So first I'll take the given curve here, radius of curvature they are given. So r power n equal to a power n into cos n theta. This is the given curve. Because given curve is in terms of r and theta, take log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, you will get log of r power n equal to log of a power n into cos n theta. Now log of r power n is nothing but n log r equal to, I'll write this one as log of a power n plus log of cos n theta. Now I'll write n into log r equal to n into log a plus log of cos n theta. Now if you differentiate this one with respect to theta, you will differentiate this with respect to theta, you will get right. Next I'll write differentiate with respect to theta. We'll differentiate with respect to theta, n into log r I'll write as 1 by r into dr by d theta I'll write. Differentiation of n log a should be 0 plus log of cos n theta is there. What is that? Log of cos n theta should be 1 divided by cos n theta into differentiation of cos n theta should be minus n into sin n theta. Now I'll write n into 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to, so I can write what is that here. So minus n into cos n sin n theta divided by cos n theta. I'll write it as tan n theta. I'll cancel it in both sides, n and n. Now here I want to find r1. dr by d theta is r1. So that's the way this r is there, no? This r I'll cross multiply this side. I'll get dr by d theta equal to minus r into tan n theta. This only I'll write r1 equal to minus r into tan n theta. I'll write this is the value of r1. r1 equal to minus r into tan n theta. Next, similarly, we have to differentiate this. How do you differentiate this one? I will consider as equation number 2. Equation 2, differentiate with respect to theta. If you do differentiation of r1 is r2 minus r into differentiation of tan n theta is secant square n theta. Differentiation of tan n theta is secant square n theta into differentiation of that n theta with respect to theta is nothing but n here plus tan n theta. Tan n theta differentiation of r is r1. Differentiation of r is r1 I can write. Now if you simplify this, what you will get here, see. Now here r1 is there. What is that r1 value also? I'll substitute it here only. So r2 equal to minus of r into secant square n theta. Here n value I'll keep as it is plus tan n theta. Tan n theta value should be what is that? Here r1 is there. Tan n theta into differentiation of r should be what is that? r1. Now r into secant square n theta into n. Here tan n theta. What is the value of r1? r1 value should be minus r into tan n theta. I'll write. If we'll simplify this, r2 equal to minus n into nr into secant square n theta. Secant square n theta minus r into tan square n theta minus r into tan square n theta I'll keep. So this is the value of r2 I can keep. Otherwise, if you will multiply this r2 also, you will get minus nr into secant square n theta plus r into tan square n theta plus r into tan square n theta you will get. This is r2 value. Now, what is that formula? We know that in that formula I'll substitute rho equal to r square plus r1 square divided by r square plus 2r1 square minus r into r2. Here is the value r into r2. Now, rho equal to r square I'll keep as it is. r1 square. What is the value of r1 is nothing but here we know that minus r into tan n theta whole square divided by r square plus 2r1 square. 2 into r1 square is nothing but minus r into tan n theta whole square. Tan n theta whole square minus r into r2. What is the value of r2 is nothing but you know that here minus nr into secant square n theta plus r into tan square n theta. Tan square n theta. Now I have to simplify this. If I'll simplify this, I'll get in the form of first term should be rho equal to r square plus r square into tan square n theta. Tan square n theta. See here what is that? R square plus r1 square. What is that? Whole power 3 by 2 is there. See, I missed out here. This one should be r square plus r1 square whole power 3 by 2 is there. whole power 3 by 2. Here also whole power 3 by 2 is there. So if I simplify this, whole power 3 by 2 means I'll get whole power, here also whole power 3 by 2. I left out that, so here whole power 3 by 2 is there. Now, in next step, here you will get r square plus r square into tan square n theta whole power 3 by 2 divided by r square plus 2 into r square into tan square n theta minus n into r square. Minus of minus should be plus n r square into secant square n theta n r square into secant square n theta minus r square into tan square n theta minus r square into tan square n theta. Now, if you simplify this, rho equal to, if you take r square outside, r square whole power 3 by 2. Here 1 plus tan square n theta whole power 3 by 2 is there. Whole divided by, here see, here 2r square tan square n theta is there. Here minus r square tan square n theta. If I'll subtract, I'll get r square plus r square tan square n theta, r square tan square n theta plus n into r square secant square n theta. N into r square into secant square n theta is there. Now, here see, from in the first two terms, rho equal to r square whole power 3 by 2 is r cube. 1 plus tan square n theta is secant square n theta whole power 3 by 2. Secant square n theta whole power 3 by 2 divided by, if I'll take r square outside, 1 plus tan square n theta plus n into r square into secant square n theta. Now rho equal to r cube into secant square whole power n theta whole power 3 by 2 is nothing but secant cube n theta divided by r square into 1 plus tan square n theta is nothing but secant square n theta plus n into r square into secant square n theta. Now if I'll take r square secant square n theta outside, rho equal to r cube into secant cube n theta divided by, if I'll take r square secant square n theta outside, you will get 1 plus n. 1 plus n. So now r cube this power and r square cancelled. Secant square n theta this one cancelled. Now you will get rho equal to r into secant n theta divided by 1 plus n. I will write secant n theta divided by 1 plus n. Now, how do you simplify this? Here, what they have given in the problem, they have given what is that? Rho varies inversely as r power n minus 1 you have to prove. So you have to eliminate that secant n theta also. How do you eliminate the secant n theta? Using the given equation we will take and we will eliminate the secant n theta. Right. So now this is, I will take it as, consider as equation number. Already I used equation number 1. This is 2. Here R2 I didn't give any equation. Now I'll use directly equation number 3 here. This is equation 3. Now from equation 1, what is equation 1? We know that r power n equal to a power n into secant n, cos n theta, no? So given equation should be that r power n equal to a power n into cos n theta. This is the given equation. So in that equation, I'll substitute r power n equal to a power n into cos n theta. Now you will write this one only, a power n divided by r power n equal to secant n theta. A power n divided by r power n is nothing but secant n theta. Now I'll substitute the secant n theta value. Substitute secant n theta in equation 3. Substitute in equation 3. What is equation 3 is nothing but secant n theta place I am substituting here. So this one I will take it as equation number 4. Use equation 4, secant n theta in equation 4, right? Directly I will use it here. So use in this equation 3. So if you use in equation 3, we'll get right. What is that equation? Rho equal to r divided by 1 plus n, r divided by 1 plus n into secant n theta place I am using a power n divided by r power n. Now rho equal to a power n divided by 1 plus n into 1 divided by r power n minus 1. Now this which is a power n divided by 1 plus n is constant. Rho is directly proportional to, so rho is proportional to 1 divided by r power n minus 1. That only I am telling that radius of curvature is rho, which is inversely proportional to here. So 1 divided by something comes, we can say that it is inversely proportional to r power n minus 1. Hence we proved that given. See here what they have given, that one we have been proved. R power n equal to a power n varies inversely as r power n minus 1. Inversely means 1 divided by r power n minus 1 have been proved. One more problem we'll see in this. Show that for the curve, r into 1 minus cos theta equal to 2a, rho square varies as r cube. Rho square varies as r cube. Right. Solution. Right. So here the given curve should be r into 1 minus cos theta equal to 2a. Right. For this is the polar curve. I'll consider as this is equation 1. Take log on both sides. So if you take log on both sides, we'll get log of r into 1 minus cos theta equal to log 2a. Now I'll write log r plus log of 1 minus cos theta equal to log 2a. So now, how do you simplify it? How to differentiate with respect to theta? This one will differentiate with respect to theta. We'll get in the form of, we'll differentiate this one with respect to theta. We'll get first log r is there. Differentiate with respect to theta. We'll differentiate log r 1 by r into dr by d theta plus log of 1 minus cos theta is 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta into differentiation of 1 minus cos theta is 1 is 0. Cos theta should be minus sin theta, that I will write as plus sin theta. Differentiation of log 2a should be 0. Now 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to, we'll send this one to that side, minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So now dr by d theta equal to, this one I'll write, see here, dr by d theta equal to minus r into sin theta should be, we'll write as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Now I'll cancel it this 2 sin theta by 2 on this power. You'll get dr by d theta is r equal to r into minus r into cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2 is nothing but cot theta by 2. R1 equal to minus R into cot theta by 2, I'll write. Next, if I'll simplify this is R1. This I'll consider as equation number 2. Now, equation 2, differentiate with respect to theta. We'll differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiation of R1 is R2, minus I'll keep outside, R into differentiation of cot theta by 2. Product rule I'm using, R into cot theta by 2. If you use product rule, R into differentiation of cot theta by 2 is nothing but minus cosecant square theta by 2 minus cosecant square theta by 2 into differentiation of theta by 2 is 1 by 2 plus cot theta by 2 into differentiation of R is nothing but R1. Now R2 equal to minus of, this one should be minus R by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2 plus cot theta by 2 into R1. The value of R1 is minus R into cot theta by 2. Now you'll write R2 equal to minus R by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2. This one R into cot theta by 2 is nothing but minus R into cot square theta by 2. Right. How do you simplify this? Here R by 2 is there. So just we'll substitute. This is R2 value. So if you want, we can substitute it minus inside also. Otherwise, you can keep as it is. We'll substitute directly in the formula. This is equation number 3. I will substitute equation number 3. Now we know that ROC in polar form. Rho equal to R square plus R1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by R square plus 2R1 square minus R into R2. Now we change this. So now we can substitute here. What is that R square value, R1 square value, or rho equal to R square. I'll take rho equal to R square. R1 square. What is that R1 square is nothing but, we know that R1 square is nothing but, here already we simplified, R1 is minus R cot theta by 2. Equation 2 is that one only, minus R into cot theta by 2 whole square whole power 3 by 2 divided by R square plus 2 into R1 square minus R into cot theta by 2. 2 into R1 square, R cot theta minus R cot theta by 2 whole square minus R into R2. R2 is what? Minus, already we know that R2 value I found out. R2 value we can see, we'll come to know that here. Minus of minus R by 2 cosecant square theta by 2 minus R cot square theta by 2 is there. Here I'll write this one minus R by 2 cosecant square theta by 2 plus R cot square theta by 2 Now if I simplify this, R equal to R square plus R square into cot square theta by 2 whole power 3 by 2 divided by R square plus 2R square into cot square theta by 2 Here minus, if you bring this one to this side, outside, here see, actually here one minus is there, inside also one minus is there. You'll see here minus R by 2 is there. So here also one minus outside is there and inside should be one minus is there. So if you bring that one both here, what will happen? No, that minus and this minus will become, what is that here? Plus. Here it will become as plus. Now I can multiply this minus R square by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2 minus r square into cot square theta by 2. You will get here 2r square cot square theta by 2 minus r square cot square theta by 2. You will get it as here r square I will take outside because in both terms common is there. R square whole power theta by 2. Here 1 plus cot square theta by 2 whole power 3 by 2 divided by, you will get 2r square cot square theta by 2 minus r square cot square theta by 2. I will write it as here r square plus r square into cot square theta by 2 minus r square by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2. Cosecant square theta by 2. Now r square whole power 3 by 2 is nothing but we will write as r cube. 1 plus cot square theta by 2 is nothing but cosecant square theta by 2 whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by, if I will take r square common from the first term, I will get here 1 plus cot square theta by 2 I will get. From the first two terms I took r square outside. Then remaining should be r square by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2 is there. We know that 1 plus cot square theta by 2 is nothing but again I will write rho equal to r cube into cosecant cube theta by 2 cosecant cube theta by 2 divided by r square into cosecant square theta by 2. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta by 2 minus r square by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2 you will get. Now r square cosecant square theta by 2 minus r square by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2, it will simplify, we will get r square by 2 cosecant square theta by 2 will get. That one I will write in next step. See this one, if you will r square cosecant square theta by 2 is there. Here minus r square by 2 cosecant square theta by 2 is there. If you will simplify that, you will get rho equal to r cube into rho equal to r cube into cosecant cube theta by 2 rho equal to r cube into cosecant cube theta by 2 divided by, we'll get r square by 2 into cosecant square theta by 2 cosecant square theta by 2. Now r cube, this r square divided by this one should be r, rho equal to cosecant cube is there, here cosecant square theta by 2 cancel, rho equal to r into cosecant theta by 2 divided by 1 by 2 is there. Divided by 1 by 2. If you write the divided by 1 by 2, you will get this here into 2 you will get. Now I will write rho equal to 2r into cosecant theta by 2 I will write. This is the value of rho. So this one I will consider as equation number 4. But I have to prove rho square varies as r cube I have to prove. So for that I have to eliminate this cosecant theta by 2. From equation 1, what is equation 1? We know that equation 1 is nothing but from equation 1 r into 1 minus cos theta equal to what is that 2a. Now this only I will write r into 2 sine square theta by 2 sine square theta by 2 equal to 2a. Now I will cancel it this 2a. Now I will write sine square theta by 2 equal to a by r. This one should be cosecant square theta by 2 equal to cosecant square theta by 2 is nothing but r by a. Cosecant square theta by 2 is r by a. Now from equation, this one should be, I will take 5. From equation 4, rho square equal to 4 into, if you will square it on both sides, 4 2r cosecant theta by 2 I will write it as 4r square into cosecant square theta by 2 you will get. What is cosecant square theta by 2? From this equation I will write rho square equal to 4r square into r by a. Now I will write this one only, rho square equal to 4 by a into r cube. Now rho square varies as r cube. 4 by a is constant, rho square varies as r cube. So 4 by a is constant, rho square is directly proportional to r cube. This is the required solution for the given problem.